So here we are at the Amherst show. People have asked me about how easy is it to connect and disconnect the Lamplighter and fibers if you've got a T-Track layout. Well, let's demonstrate how simple it is, let's say, to disconnect those fibers. Wow, look at that. Okay, so now they've all been disconnected from the layout. But now, of course, the question is, how easy is it to put them back in again? All right. Wow, so you mean you could just stick them in like that? Yes, indeed. Excellent. So there it is. So just all you need to do is just bundle them together, stick them back into a Lamplighter, and you're done. Very simple.
Trainz.com. Making dreams come true, one train at a time.